Hope is expecting somebody else to do it. Try, that means you haven't sorted it out yet. Want tells your mind constantly you do not have it. I'm Tessa-Marie, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where you will learn the answers to life's true happiness and success. Last week on the video I did, I told you how I manifested my dream car. Now, I'm going to take you through the steps that you should use, which I use, to enable you to manifest your own car. When you're doing your manifestation, you have to prepare yourself. The energy loves beauty. The energy of the world loves to have nice, lovely. It just has to be really in tune. Everything has to really amazingly work well together. So you prepare yourself. Manifestation is not something you do wishy-washy. Manifestation is something you have to put energy into. Your energy, your drive, it is your dream, it is your goal, it is your desire. You want to manifest this car. And in order to manifest this car, you must put yourself into the picture, into the frame. You have to make the frame beautiful, and you cannot put an ugly picture of you in a beautiful frame. So let's get the show on the road, and let me show you how to manifest your dream car as I did. Now, I love comfort, so I always have water because I want to know when I'm sat down to do this, everything is working. Now, this is my original goal setting journal. It is chock full of all the goals that I set and that materialized in my life. I am going to show you my new goal setting journal, which is a book I created to enable others like you to set your goals. In this journal, I talk about what you need to do. At the front of the journal, I tell you use a blue ink pen. That's the power of the color of the universe. They say most millionaires were created with blue ink pen. Who am I to judge them? So I follow that, and I know it has made me a wonderful and amazing life. I have this now, and I know blue ink pen, a real lovely journal, properly written with information on how to journal. This is my present journal, all the things that I desire in my life. So first, you need to have your journal. In your journal, you're going to take your time. You open the page and you come to the first page, and you will notice you have things to follow and what you should expect in journaling. That is why my journal is so amazing and so popular. It's because I decided to make sure you had the proper information here. I will read a line to you from the journal. Use a blue ink pen. The magic happens when you use a blue ink pen, as the color of blue is aligned with goal setting and success. Use exquisite words. Be clear when sitting down to set your goals. Write the goals and make sure they're clear. Do not be afraid. Make them audacious. Make them bold. Make them what you truly desire, not what anybody else desires. Write down your goals at least 3 times a day. I know that seems hard, but put effort into writing it 3 times a day. They do not have to be 3 times in succession. You can write it in the morning, sometimes later in the afternoon, and before you go to bed, 3 times in 24 hours. Do not have 101 goals. Try to concentrate on attaining one goal, see it through, have it, and then it gives you the feeling and the power to say, I can go and do more goals. I can create better goals, bigger goals. But you're going to learn how to manifest your dream car. Write down your goals every day. Then it tells you, raise your vibration, have energy, put you into the goal. Get it going and say, I can do this. Write, spending time writing. Try to visualize what you're looking for. Visualize the car. Visualize the shape of the car, the color of the car, the smell of the car. See the dealership where you're going through. See everything. Even at the moment you do not have the money, do not worry about it. Worry about what it is you desire, the kind of car you're looking for, everything about it. Feel when the salesperson is talking to you, see how they look at you. You look at them the same way. Picture the entire journey from start to finish. Look at magazines, all this. This is what will happen. The more attention you give to that goal, the more attention the goal will give you. It will remind you to write it down. It will remind you you haven't written it 3 times today. Do it one more time. It will start speaking to you. It will tell you, go to a dealership around the corner. Go to a dealership in the other city and look at what they have. Talk to the people. Sit in the car. Ask them to take a picture of you in the car. Standing next to it. Do those things to feel the energy. When you come home, get your book. No one is going to do it for you. This is what is written there. I said no one is going to do it for you. Do it yourself. So, since I've written on those pages, I'll take you to where I have this. It says, fortune favors those who are persistent. Fortune, wealth favors those that are not going to stop. And it says your name, the date, the time, and every 40 pages you'll come across a quote like this. I created this one. Yes, fortune favors the persistent person. That's what it does. It must come because you demand it to come. So you describe where you are, how you're feeling about your goal. Is it possible? Do you understand that? Describe where you are at the time. So you start to write how you're feeling. I desire this. I know I can have it. I am writing all I can about it. I'm creating it. I'm describing it. I'm stimulating it. I'm making sure it comes to me because I desire to have it in my life. That's the beginning. You write about your goal. You write where you are. And you say, I desire, not want. Want is a bottomless pit. It has a hole. Every time you say I want, you're confirming you do not have it. But when you say I desire, that is a sweeter, softer word. It pulls it into you. What you desire comes to you. It's like you desire a sweet lover or you desire a fruit or meal. It comes to you and you savor it and you enjoy it. So describe that car of yours in as much detail as you can. Remember, you have pictures. Stick those pictures in your book. See yourself in the picture. Remember, a picture of you driving the car. A picture of you working on it. Everything in the present tense. Nothing in. Do not ever use the word I am trying, I am hoping, I am wanting. These words have no plan. Hope is expecting somebody else to do it. Try, that means you haven't sorted it out yet. Want tells your mind constantly you do not have it. So write about your goal. I desire to have this car. Name the car, name the make of the car, the serial of the car, the model of the car, whatever you need to do to make it clear and precise and concise. And when the little nagging feeling comes that you do not have, you must say, oh, that is just the last thing on the list. I can feel that car. It's in me. I am sitting in the car. I can smell the energy of that car. I can feel the wheel beneath my hands. You must write. It's like a story. Make a story out of your dream, goals, and desire. Say where you're driving this car to, who you have sitting next to you. Invite your friend to go on a drive in the country with you. If you can possibly rent one of those cars for a day and enjoy the journey. That is part of the goal setting. That is how you set it. That's how you make it, put it, you pour it in concrete. And you're the concrete person. So that's what you do with these goals. You must do that. You must make it happen. So once you have written them down and you clear it, no, you have to be grateful. Grateful that you get out your gratitude journal and you are grateful. In your gratitude journal, you're going to write, today I am happy and grateful I worked on my goals. Today, I'm happy and grateful I took an action step towards my goal of getting my brand new dream car. Today, I'm happy and grateful I went for a ride in my car. Today, I'm happy and grateful I drove the car through the city. Today, I'm happy and grateful I went to the dealership. I look at the prices. I look at the options I had. I look at the color choices. So everything you do is you're happy and grateful. No, you want a luxurious car. Dress like you can carry it. Wear the clothes the best you have. Dress up and make yourself feel like you can drive that luxury dream car. I have this car in my life and I can drive it. I own it. And you're dressed for it. You look like it. You look like you come from money. That money flows to you. The salespeople will bend to do what you want because you show up looking like you are the person that can have that dream car. You show up looking like that person who knows for sure what they desire. Your energy is positive. Your energy is high. It transfers to them and comes back to you. What you send out comes back to you. They'll treat you better. Oh, would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like to have a cup of tea? They'll do that to you. Have a seat here while I look at what we have, the cars we have in stock. But if you have one you prefer and we don't have it, we'll get it from another dealership for you. All of their habits and their attitude will be to please you. They have to. You're bringing them money. So then you have all this in your gratitude journal. What every step and every action they take towards helping you, you write, I'm happy and grateful the salesman was really kind and helpful today. Say what salesman? I'm happy and grateful the car salesman at this dealership where I went to look at my luxury dream car was kind and generous and patient with me. He understood me. He explained everything to me. And that's gratitude. Then when you notice that your need is getting deeper and you're wanting to do it more, give gratitude and the law of attraction a little push. Write in your goal, in your proof journal. This is the proof journal I created just for you to have this, so that you can write proof that as you're taking steps towards your goals, dreams, and desires, you are seeing the proof of it manifesting. First, you write it in your goal setting journal, and then you write a proof. Today, I observed the proof that the law of attraction and gratitude is working in my favor. And the salesman was telling me of a new series that they have coming. Or he's telling me of a new option I can have with my car. Or he's telling me about a new color. He's telling me that they're going to have a promotion sale. So you see, what is coming to you, acknowledge it. Give it credit so more of it can come to you. That's what you do. You must follow those steps every day. No, goal setting does not require hours and hours. It requires actually to write your goals down, to reinvest them in your goal setting journal every day. Takes 2 minutes. 2 more minutes of gratitude. And 1 minute to give the law of attraction and gratitude what they deserve is that they're working in your favor. You're saying thank you to them. 2 minutes to write your gratitude. 2 minutes to write your goals down, and 1 minute to write the book of proof. 5 minutes, 3 times a day, but not 5 minutes of wishy-washy. That is 5 minutes of determination, 5 minutes of joy, 5 minutes of passion, 5 minutes of relaxation, 5 minutes of contemplation. After you have actually written your goals, sit back in your chair and relax. Sit back and just relax and feel good. See, you take some visualization if you can. If you have the time, visualize. If you're on the bus, visualize. If you're in the shower, visualize. If you're cooking in the kitchen, visualize. If you're doing laundry, visualize. Before you go to sleep, visualize that car. See yourself in it. See the energy. See the salesman handing you the fob. See you're sitting and you press the button and your car starts. These are the things that you must do. You cannot ever not put energy into this. You need passion, you need energy, you need a lot of you into this to make it work. Manifestation is a sure thing if you do the work. And remember, fortune favors those that are consistently and persistently working. Wealth will tumble its way to find you if you do the work. 5 minutes, 3 times a day for something you want to feel, something you want to savor mentally, something you want to have your 5 senses saturated with, that's nothing. Because the joy comes the day you actually leave the dealership with your dream car. That's the day. And this is what I am able to teach you. I have just given you point 1. Describe and write your goals 3 times a day in your goal setting journal. Step 2, write in your gratitude journal. what you're grateful for, all the actions you have taken or others have taken on your behalf to make your dream of owning a luxury car a manifestation. Make it real. Thirdly, write in your book of proof that you can see the actions you have taken is working for you. Write that in your book of proof. So you have 3 simple steps, and the combination of those steps takes 5 minutes. In a day of 1440 minutes, I think, you should be able to find 15 minutes to devote to your dreams, your goals, and your desires becoming a reality. Somehow, someway, you should find a way to do this. So join me on this journey. I'm taking a whole group of others who have been asking me to teach them how. Join me, DM me, send me an email at my email address. Subscribe to my channel, and I will let you know each time one of those videos on manifesting your dream, goal, desire. In this time, it's a luxury car. But I have a group that's meeting, and we're going to be working on it. So join me for the seminar. Join me for the instruction. Listen to these videos. Follow the tools I have laid for you. I created it. I made it easy. I gave you a goal setting journal. I gave you a book of proof and a gratitude journal. Use them. 3 things: 2 minutes of gratitude, 2 minutes of goal setting, writing them down, 1 minute of proof. Simple little steps to get your goals and dreams and desires to be manifested in your life. I am Tessa-Marie, and I have done it myself. And now I am on a journey to show you and to teach you and to let you learn, give you the opportunity to have your dreams, goals, and desires becomes a reality. Have fun. Thank you for listening to this short video, and subscribe to the channel, because this is a channel where you will learn the answers to life's true happiness and success. Have fun. See you when the next video next week is dropped. Have fun. Bye. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day.